Shabi states that he met a Khurasani who said to me, "Some of the people of our region say that whosoever marries a slave girl after manumitting her is like riding a sacrificial animal." Shabi whereupon said that Abu Burda, reporting from Hazrat Abu Musa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu, narrated this hadith to me, that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Three people will get twofold reward. One, a man from the people of the book who first believes in his Prophet, then finds the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam times and believes in him, follows him and testifies him as well. So he will procure a twofold reward. Second, a slave who worships Allah Jalla Jalaluhu as well as serving his master. So he will procure a twofold reward as well. Third, a man who has a slave girl, so he feeds her well, teaches her etiquette nicely, then marries her after manumitting her, will also procure a twofold reward." Shabi then said, "Go and take this hadith without any cost, otherwise the people prior to you would undertake a journey from here to Madina Munawwara to get a hadith like it." Sahih Muslim, hadith number 385.